Hurricane Kiko has weakened to a Category 2 strength hurricane out in the central Pacific Ocean and is still expected to pass well to the north of the island chain. Let's take the latest look at the track from the Central Pacific Hurricane Center. Again, this storm is a Category 2. It's got maximum sustained winds of 105 miles per hour and is currently moving northwestward at around 14 miles per hour. As we're going into Monday morning, you'll see the storm go to Category 1 hurricane strength. It is fallen apart from a Category 4. It's a Category 2 right now, and it'll continue to fall apart to tropical storm strength as it's moving to the north of the island chain. What's different from this Central Pacific Hurricane Center track compared to the one that I showed you on Saturday is that they still have it at tropical storm strength as it's moving off towards the northwest, so they're still predicting that it's going to hold on to that intensity as it's moving away from the island chain. A quick look at the satellite imagery over the last 4 hours. You can see Kiko falling apart out there. One of the ways we know that it is completely falling apart is just the collapse of the eye on the satellite imagery. You can see it's very clear at the beginning of this. You're not seeing that clear eye out there anymore. Again, the chance for tropical storm force winds with Kiko are very slim. Just going forward, the strongest winds are going to remain out over the open ocean. This green color that you see over parts of Maui County and Oahu, that is a 10% chance for tropical storm force winds, at least from the National Hurricane Center track right now. So a very slim chance. This is not going to be a wind event. It's going to cut us off from the trade wind flow and make it very warm and very humid going forward. Again, the new weather model trend that we've been seeing, the spaghetti plots are starting to move even further northward out there. There's still some south outliers, so we still have to be a little bit vigilant with this storm, but the overall spread has been further northward. Of course, the main concern, since this is going to move to our north, is large surf. In the center of Kiko right now, you can actually see around 25-foot wave heights right there. Of course, the surf's not going to be that large once it gets to us. Right in the center of the storm, about 28 feet. Just taking a look at the current data. Swell forecast, you can see starting to see that Kiko swell arriving on east-facing shores throughout Monday and Tuesday, and again, moving off towards the northwest as we're going into Wednesday and Thursday. A quick look at our surf and shoreline forecast for Monday morning. You're starting to see that east-facing swell on the rise, around 3 to 5 feet on east-facing shores tomorrow morning, 4 to 6 in the evening. Also seeing a small south-southwest swell around 4 to 6 feet on south-facing shores. The European model, just showing you one of the models out there. You can barely see Kiko going forward. It's off to our far to the north in this particular model run, but a few pop-up showers are possible during Tuesday afternoon and Wednesday afternoon due to the lighter trade winds. Some sea breeze showers are possible, and it's going to be warm and humid out there. Make sure to stay tuned to us for the latest updates.